Hey, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Today we're having a cookout, but instead of grilling, we're using a wood-burning pizza oven. It's a portable one, but it works. We're gonna cook some burgers, we're gonna cook steaks, and some Nathan's hot dogs.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. All right.
All right. All right. We're gonna marinate our portobello mushrooms for our burgers, or maybe if you want to put a little bit on the two ribs on the sides of the ribeye.
Oh yeah.
They're beautiful portobello mushrooms. We're gonna do the marinade in olive oil, balsamic vinegar, fresh rosemary, garlic, and a little salt and pepper.
Oh yeah. This is gonna go on top of our portobello mushroom Swiss burger.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna top it off with some caramelized onions. Let these marinate for a little while. And this is fresh rosemary picked from my wife's garden.
All right. Some salt and pepper.
Salt on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
It's a thick piece.
Yeah, that's pretty
It's almost like eating a big steak.
Yeah, that's no lie. If you're a vegetarian, you can omit the beef and it'll be a good burger.
All right, let's see. Vinegar.
That's balsamic, right?
Balsamic vinegar, yes.
Okay.
Garlic, rosemary,
Little oil.
salt and pepper, some olive oil.
Good to go. A little balsamic. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
All right.
And then when you put them in it, you can either cook them on the stove in a big pan, or you can grill them. I used to grill mine at the restaurant at Daddy Jack's.
Yeah, I like the grill too. But
Another one of Jack Chaplin's great recipes.
This is our little portable uni.
And it's getting hot.
My wife started the fire. She's the fire starter for the family here.
All right, we're gonna put our portobellas in there.
Oh yeah.
This thing is too hot. Even with the, look at us burning the.
It's hot. It's about 700 degrees. I can cool it down now.
Cool it down, baby.
Right here, baby. Take her off, prop her
And
up.
then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the rest of this beautiful marinade on there.
Beautiful.
Get all that garlic and rosemary in there. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
All right, these are the meats that we're gonna be grilling today. We got some jumbo Nathan hot dogs. We have our ground chuck beef ready to go. And we have a couple of awesome ribeyes marinating. And these are the cheeses that we're gonna use for the burgers today. Oh yeah. Check these mushrooms. Oh yeah, already. Look at them. All ready to go.
All right, we're gonna turn these mushrooms over. Probably about another 2 more minutes in there. This little one we'll put up here because it's ready. Take these out. I think they're ready. Oh, perfect.
They smell so
God.
This is amazing.
They do, don't they?
Yeah.
So beautiful. That looks like a steak.
I know.
It is. All right, we're gonna put the rest of this beautiful toasted garlic on there, and the flavor from the balsamic vinegar. Oh, baby!
Look at that.
Where's my fork?
That one right there.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
You want to put this in there now?
No,
Or put the bacon
put the
in
bacon right in there.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna cook some bacon in here also as well.
Man, there's nothing like that mesquite smoke taste
This smells good.
on meat
Perfect.
and mushroom.
Can't beat it. Hey, I learned from work never to.
Oh yeah, bacon is ready. Take this out. Let's go ahead and put these on a plate. All right, we're gonna go ahead and heat up this frying pan for just a minute, get it nice and hot, and we'll go ahead and put the burgers on there. Right, burgers are
spatula out
ready.
here?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna throw our burgers in there.
Oh yeah.
You're not in it, I promise.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Let's get them burgers prepped.
All right, we're gonna salt and pepper our steaks. Don't be afraid to season. All right.
All right. That pan is nice and hot. Nice. Very good. Nice thick burgers. Put the suckers in
Let's
there.
get them in there.
All right. Check them out.
All right, we're gonna
Oh,
take
yeah.
these out, check them out. See,
Oh
flip them over a little bit.
Nice.
All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah.
Burgers are ready.
We're gonna put a little Swiss cheese on these. Melt it up a little bit.
On one.
Okay, we're gonna put a nice
Fresh
slice of fresh
mozzarella.
mozzarella, and the blue cheese we're gonna put on after the burgers are completely done and in the bun, because you don't want the blue cheese; it'll just melt everywhere and turn to grease. And
Yeah, we don't want that. All right. Melt that cheese.
all right, there we go.
Oh, look
Look
at
at
them burgers. Beautiful.
All right, we're gonna get started.
That's the Swiss right there.
Swiss burger,
Beautiful.
mozzarella burger,
Nice. And blue cheese burger
and then this is gonna be the blue cheese burger.
with bacon. Oh, that blue cheese looks beautiful. Nice.
Very nice. All right. What I like on these types of burgers, not putting maybe sliced tomatoes, but no lettuce. I think you can taste everything really
Yeah.
very
it's
well
not-
balanced
yeah.
and everything
Oh, yeah.
like this. But what's next?
Bacon goes on there.
So we're gonna put some grilled onions on it first.
Oh yeah, some grilled onions, nice.
And also on the blue cheese. What I like on mine, I like the horseradish mustard. It's really good.
We have it in the house.
Yes, we do. All right. You don't want it?
Yeah,
Okay.
3 different burgers.
Put some more bacon on this.
Yeah.
Good blue cheese.
Oh, beautiful portobello mushroom.
Yes, and let's not forget about these babies. Oh my God. That is a work of art.
Yes, it is. Now, tomato on this one. Beautiful. There you go. Some fresh.
Yeah, we're gonna put some fresh
Basil.
basil on that too.
Beautiful.
I love a lot of basil, so
Yeah.
you don't have to put that much on, but I do,
Nice.
and I'm eating it. So
Cover them up. All right. Burgers all ready.
okay, look at that.
That's
Beautiful.
beautiful. Yes.
Beautiful hamburgers.
Nice.
Come on, I'm hungry. Let's go.
I'm ready. Pull
All right.
out them steaks.
All right, let's check out
Oh,
these
yeah.
bone-in ribeyes.
Nice.
Oh, they're looking good.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you're gonna eat.
You're right.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice. Let's cook these dogs.
Hot. Oh, beautiful Nathan hot dogs. I think these are like a third pound.
Yeah. Pretty big.
What a beautiful.
All right, let's check these dogs out. Oh, yeah. They are ready.
All right. Now that's how you cook a hot dog.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Wood-fired dogs.
Let's eat.
Right. All right, let's check out these New York style dogs. Look at that. Beautiful.
Considering this is the only work you've done today, I did all the cooking as usual.
Put some mustard
That's
on there.
okay. I love to cook.
Go ahead and put some onion on there. New York style. Look at that.
Where's the crushed red pepper?
It's in there.
I like extra. Do you mind?
I'll get you some more.
Yeah.
There we go. Let me take a
All right,
bite of
check
that.
it out. Why don't
Look
you
at
get a
that.
plate before you drip all over the floor, man?
It's all right.
Looks good.
Very good. Thanks for joining us this 4th of July. We had a lot of fun cooking.
And drinking too.
Yeah, we drank a few. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you soon.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. Stay safe on the way home tonight.
Definitely.
Bye.
Bye.